Okay everyone, I'm out here at our model in Winsome Forest. This is the Brandi floor plan. It's the C elevation, which means we have brick on the exterior. We're going to just take a quick walk through here so we can show what we have. We want to let you come on through. Here we're walking up to our front porch. You can see great space for a couple of rocking chairs. The lots out here are fairly large, right around an acre. You can see the neighborhood's very peaceful. Lots of birds singing today. You come on through, this is our foyer. You can see our front entryway here. To my right, we have an area that is staged as a study and office. You can have this as a formal dining room if you choose. We can even put French doors here to define this area. Walking through, you can see our rail and trindle. Let me rephrase. My rail and spindle trim here, wrought iron pickets. We can have that go all the way up to the top of the stairs if you'd like a more open concept feel. This is our family room, which leads into our kitchen and dining area. Lots of cabinetry through here. We finished this area with a tile subway backsplash, quartz countertops, stainless steel Samsung appliances. You can see to the right of my kitchen there is our drop zone area. That is a standard feature for us, and it's a great area to put your shoes, backpacks, bags as you come in. You can also see here my pantry. Something that we have a lot in all my floor plans is great storage space. You can see there's plenty of room for staples, kitchen gadgets, anything that you might need to put in a pantry here. We also have some really great outdoor space. I'm going to walk you guys out here to my back porch. We have a covered porch on this model. It has a ceiling fan, but looks out to the back. Your nice large backyard here. As I said earlier, our lots are right at an acre each, just a little bit less. You can see the rest of the neighborhood that we're building over there. We're going to walk right back through the living area. I'm going to take you into our master. The Brandi floor plan is one of 3 floor plans that we offer that has a master bedroom on the main level. You can see in here there's lots of space. This is staged with a queen bed, but we have a couple of dressers in here, a seating area. And we'll go through to our master bathroom. This is a deluxe master bathroom, meaning it comes with a garden tub. We've done a tile surround in here. Got a stand-up walk-in shower. When you do the tile showers, we have shelving there for your toiletries, as well as double sinks, which we have also done with a quartz finish. And now we're coming into our master closet, which is huge. It's a walk-in closet, lots of space. We've got some shelving in here for you, as well as some extra hidden shelving kind of behind this door here. So much room to store your things. That through there is okay. We're gonna walk on through and upstairs. Give you guys a little glimpse of what we've got up here. Again, we have this rail and spindle, and if you like this look, this open look, we can continue it on up the stairs. But as you reach the top of the steps here in the Brandi, we're going to go to the right and you're going to see my second bedroom. Again, lots of space. And even the closet for this second bedroom gives lots of space for storage. whatever your family may need. And I've left a lot of the lights off up here because I want you all to be able to see one of the best features in our homes is the natural light. It's not a very bright day outside, but you can just see how much light you get in this area. This is our upper level loft. We can finish this off. It can be a 4th bedroom or it can be a game room. It's up to you. And this is my 3rd bedroom. Again, lots of space. We've even fit a desk in here. A little space. And then on into the walk-in closet for this room, which again is another good sized walk-in closet, great for storage and anything that you may need here. With those upper level bathrooms, you may have some siblings sharing some space. This is the hall bathroom, you know, multiple people to be able to use it at once. We've upgraded to double sinks in here. As you come through, you can see a couple of doorways off. This is the separate toilet area, and then through here is the washer. I apologize, not the washer. It is our shower and tub area. And then behind this door is yet another linen closet, which can hold all of your sheets, towels, anything that you may need for this room up here. And that takes us back out here to the loft, which is just a good family area, good space to get away. Just have your own space in addition to these 2 rooms that are up here. As you can come down the steps, again, you can see the natural light. If you all see anything here that interests you, that you have questions about, we would love to help you out, answer any questions that we can. We can also tour you through any of our homes that we already have built. We can answer questions online about color selections and any sort of design choices. We really look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. And join us soon. We'll be looking at the Hannah and the Riley just in a few more minutes. Have a great day. Bye.